Hey everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to today's video. I've got my coffee. Enjoying a cup of coffee this morning. So I'm here today to show you guys the April 2019 paper door kit from Whimsy Stamp. And I need a drink. So this is not a sponsored video. Whimsy Stamps doesn't even know who I am. But I follow them on Instagram because they're one of my favorite stamp companies, and last month they had what they've called a paper door kit. I believe it's $29.99. It works out to be $35 with shipping, and it's packed full of goodies. So this is the April kit, and it includes such a cute stamp set. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. I just bought Anyway, I just bought clouds and grass. I obviously either missed this or forgot. So every order comes with a free stamp set. So this is their paper door kit. Wait, no, I ordered this. I'm a dork. It's like, wait a minute, I just ordered one. Okay, so this did not come in the kit. I bought this separately. I'm a dork. I'm a dork. Although I still think I bought another one. We'll have to see. Okay. So, the theme this month are these cute little piggies. How cute is this stamp set? And don't forget that I'm actually selling this little piggy stamp set from Stampin' Up. I'm gonna have a huge de-stash video going up. Excuse me, that has gone up. So if you're interested, I'll make sure that that's linked on the end screen. I'll start my diet tomorrow. Laughing until you snort. Insta ham, kiss the cook, eat more chicken. I love baking, B-A-K-I-N. Happy birthday, time to pick out, getting piggy with it. Squeal, squeal loud, pig in a slicker. Everything's better with bacon. Raz piggy, nah, this little piggy is younger than you are. So cute. You get coordinating dies. And then you get this one, which is, does it say what it's called? I don't know, but it's got the little pig butt, the little snout, and this cute little pig. It says snort, you little think, stinker, pink, tickled, oink, out and loud. Get a stencil, so it kind of looks like mud. That's really fun. You always get a full 6x6 paper pack instead of just a few sheets. I do feel like this is a far better deal than the one from Simon Says Stamp. It's just going to depend on your taste, really. So this kind of looks like, oh yeah, sweetness. So there's some cherries, this looks like Neapolitan ice cream is what I was trying to say. And these are all double-sided. Yeah, it does look like Neapolitan ice cream. Or maybe sherbet with this lime color. Ice cream. I'm not a huge ice cream fan. But I love the lemon cake ice cream from Halo Top. If you've never tried it, oh, look at the blood! It tastes just like a lemon buntlet from Nothing Bundt Cakes. It's so good. That is a cute little paper. I like the hand-drawn look of it. So cute. Oh, another plaid. Jace, I love this kit. Cute stripe. Fun fact, when I was younger, I always wanted to paint like if I ever got a house, I wanted to paint my bathroom in Neapolitan colors. Not that I would ever do that now, because, I mean, my bathroom is purple. But when I was younger. And then last but not least, they always give you black and white cardstock, and I believe there's 6 of each. So that's it, guys. Like I said, I do think this is a much better value that you get rather than Simon Says Stamp, but it really just is going to depend on your style. you know, if you like, because you get a die. So far, that like last month there were 2 die sets. This month there's, you know, 1 die, a coordinating die, and then another stamp set. There was 2, you know, a stamp last month. So it really is just going to depend on your style and yeah, if you like the stamps, etc. So I'm probably going to continue to get both as long as I like what they're providing. So yeah, so next week you're going to see me create using the April Simon Says Stamp Kit and then this kit as well. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope if you celebrate that you have an amazing holy weekend, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to check out my D-stash. Like I said, I'll have that video linked on the Inslate. I still have a lot of stuff left, and I will be moving that to Facebook soon, so I don't want you to miss out. So thanks so much, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.